It's hard to argue with the appeal of a classic board game, where everyone is focused on moving their pieces towards common goals. Whether you want a classic or something new and exciting, there's probably a game your entire family will love. Playing with board games might help boost kids' spatial reasoning ability, which may predict later success in math, science, engineering, and technology. So if you're interested in buying one, then we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Please go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. Experience Jaws as a suspenseful tabletop strategy game. Whether you're playing with a group of devoted Jaws fans, classic strategy gamers, or with your family, Jaws are perfect for any game night occasion and make an excellent gift for shark lovers. It comes with 3 human movers, 1 shark mover, 2 boat movers, 5 dice, 1 paper pad, 4 character boards, 8 boat pieces, 1 beach closed token, 3 resurface tokens, 3 target tokens, 5 barrel tokens, 16 swimmer tokens, and instructions. This asymmetric gameplay allows players to either play as the shark or play cooperatively as Brody, Hooper, and Quint. Its nostalgic illustrations capture memorable characters and scenes from the classic Jaws film. This is an innovative double-sided game board that presents 2 phases to the gameplay. Carcassonne board game is the perfect introduction to the modern world of board games. It's a tile placement game in which the players draw and place a tile with a piece of southern French landscape on it. The tile might feature a city, a road, a cloister, grassland, or some combination thereof, and it must be placed adjacent to tiles that have already been played, in such a way that cities are connected to cities, roads to roads, etc. It includes 84 tiles that can be configured into countless combinations, including tiles from the original base game, and the River and the Abbot expansions. Players can also add expansions with additional rules, new features, and different tiles to customize each game. If you have many friends or family popping over, Articulate is the board game you want to break out. It's an ideal Christmas gift for families with smartphone-addicted teenagers. Bring everyone together with this fast-talking description board game as players try to describe as many card entries as possible within 30 seconds. This board game draws the shy from their shell, decocks the cocky, and unites whole roomfuls of people in bouts of good old-fashioned hysterical laughter. The new categories present a real new challenge, and the bonus dice sets target to add those vital extra points that can win or lose games. There's nothing quite like taking part in your horror movie with the all-new Betrayal at House on the Hill board game. With an estimated 1-hour playing time, Betrayal at House on the Hill is ideal for parties, family gatherings, or casual fun with friends. It is a tile game that allows players to build their haunted house room by room, tile by tile, creating a new thrilling board game every time. The game is designed for 3 to 6 people, each of whom plays one of 6 possible characters. Plus, it includes detailed game pieces, including character cards, pre-painted plastic figures, and unique tokens, which help create a spooky atmosphere and streamlined gameplay. With elegantly simple gameplay, Ticket to Ride can be learned in under 15 minutes. Players collect cards of various types of train cars to claim railway routes in North America. The longer the routes, the more points they earn. Additional points come to those who fulfill Destination Tickets goal cards that connect distant cities, and to the players who build the longest continuous route. This board game is simple enough to be taught in a few minutes, and with enough action and tension to keep new players involved and in the game for the duration. In pandemics, several virulent diseases have broken out simultaneously all over the world. The players are disease-fighting specialists whose mission is to treat disease hotspots while researching cures for each of the 4 plagues before they get out of hand. On each turn, a player can use up to 4 actions to travel between cities, treat infected populaces, discover a cure, or build a research station. A deck of cards provides the players with these abilities, but sprinkled throughout this deck are epidemic cards that accelerate and intensify the disease's activity. A second separate deck of cards controls the normal spread of the infections. Taking a unique role within the team, players must plan their strategy to mesh with their specialist strengths in order to conquer the diseases.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.